Welcome to the 2024 Hershey RV Show. Today we're going to tour the newly redesigned Northern Lite 610. This truck camper was built for domestic half-ton trucks like the Ford 150, GMC 1500, and Chevy 1500. The overall length is 136 inches with an exterior base length of 78 inches. The overall height is 89.3 inches with the interior height measuring at 76 inches. The total weight of the unit is approximately 1,490 pounds. You have a 15-gallon fresh water tank and a 15-gallon gray water tank. The unit has a cassette toilet, so no black tank. The unit also has a shower outside, but there isn't one inside. Inside the unit, you'll find a 2-burner cooktop, 12-volt, 3-cubic-foot refrigerator, a seating area, and a large bedroom. Air conditioning units do not come standard on this model, but can be included as an option, as well as lithium batteries, a microwave, and a rear camera. Now let's take a look inside.
So starting with the outside here, there's your cassette for your cassette toilet. Take that out, that's basically your little black tank. There's storage underneath. It's blocked by a step, so I can't show you that. Got a handle near the door and a light. Coming around the side, you have an outdoor shower right here. You have your power hookups and your water hookups. Your Truma Hot is there as well. There is a window on this side. There are two 200-watt solar panels on the roof. That's all they can really fit on there. It's not a big roof. Over here you have your propane. And now these windows, these will fold out all the way. That's becoming more of a standard I'm seeing, and with more of the manufacturers here. So coming inside, on the left you have your kitchen section. 2-burner stove and sink. You have more counter space when you're not using it. You got some cubbies on the side here with cargo nets to help hold in items. See how the window opens up? That's pretty nice. Over here you have your control center and outlet up above. You have storage again and a microwave. And then down below the sink you have more cubby holes with cargo nets for storage. There is a little bit more storage up here at the door. And right up above the door, you have a light switch. And another, as well as your ventilation here. Coming to the other side, you have storage up above and below. And also access to the toilet, and when you're not using that, it becomes a seat. Fire extinguisher there. Underneath where the dinette is, you have a little bit more storage here, and then you have a swiveling table, L-shaped dinette. Above the dinette, there's a couple more locations for storage. It's a small fridge, but that's what you expect for something like this. Next to that, you have a few more cubby holes for storage. And then there's a nice sized bed in here with a skylight. And above that, you have your smoke detector and your air conditioner. And that's pretty much the inside.
To watch more videos like this one, click on one of these videos. See you on the next one.
Well, thank you so much for joining us for this video.
And if you found this video helpful and you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It'll help us out a lot.
And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.
Take care, everyone,
and safe travels.